just the postures or breathing exercises or either the withdrawal of senses. It is something beyond all these things. To me, it actually is about refuge under divine presence, and only that presence can update us what we lack, because they are disciplined people, and only with that divine touch we could absorb that disciplines. So it is all about discipline, but with divinity. Only when the divine preparation for any individual is present, then the yoga will happen always, each moment.